Want to make your Google Slides presentations look cleaner and more professional? One simple trick is adding a border to your text boxes, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. First, open your slide and click on the text box you want to highlight. Once it's selected, look at the top toolbar. Here you'll find three key tools: border color, border weight, and border dash. Start by choosing a border color that stands out or matches your slide design. Next, adjust the border weight to make it thin and subtle or thick and bold, whatever fits your style. You can also customize the border style using the border dash option. This lets you switch between solid, dashed, or dotted lines for a more unique look. The best part? It's fully flexible. Want to change the border later? Simply select the text box again, pick a new color, or even make it transparent to remove the border completely. This makes it super easy to experiment until your slides look just right. Adding borders isn't just about style. It helps your text stand out, guides your audience's focus, and gives your presentation a polished, professional feel. So next time you're designing slides, don't overlook this small detail. It can make a big difference. Try it out, play with the colors and styles, and watch your slides instantly level up.